Hello guys, this is Alex and this is a Mini 2005 hatch. So this came in with the airbag light on, which is the one in the middle. It's been to the Mini and they said they had few faults on it, but the main one was the passenger side belt tensioner, so which is that there. They wanted to replace the part and they wanted to replace the driver's one as well. And they said there was a problem with airbags. So I've scanned it with a G-Scan 2 and that's the faults it came in with. Side airbag front left, belt tensioner front passenger, and the same on the other side. So if you got those faults, guys, don't just start buying new bits because they're going to quote you shitloads of money. Normal garages will never touch your car because normal garages don't really want anything to do with the airbags and tensioners and everything else. So anyway, I've plugged into it with G-Scan 2 and come up with them faults, and the solution for that is similar to some BMWs. All you pretty much have to do, if you like, if there's actually nothing wrong with your tensioner and the seatbelt and everything else, and if your car never been in an accident or the unit is not faulty, you can get away with just unplugging two plugs, which is obviously one of them is for side airbag and one of them is for the tensioner. They're under the seat right down there. I'm going to show you, one is yellow, the other one's blue. So very important is, first you have to leave one of your windows down and unplug the battery. You have to disconnect both the terminals and the battery, which is quite easy. I'm going to show you now just in case. You need 10mm spanner, so that one and that one, disconnect them, make sure they're not touching the terminals. And next thing you have to do, guys, is under the seat, I don't know if you're going to be able to see, there you go, there's blue and yellow plug. You pull them down, disconnect them. It's just two very thin plugs. The connectors are very thin, so you just need to clean them with the contact cleaner for the electrical connections and plug them back in. Just make sure they're clean, that there's no rust on them or anything. Plug them back in, make sure they click in properly, and then wait for a little bit and connect your battery again. Obviously positive is last, so negative then positive, and turn the ignition on. And obviously if you have got diagnostic tool, which will be helpful, you have to plug into it again and delete the faults. So once you delete them all, they shouldn't come back on. Go for a drive, check everything, and it sorted this one out. It was quite nice and easy fix, and it happens quite often. That's why I know how to do it. I've tried it once and it worked. So far it's been working all the time. So yeah guys, before I start replacing the bits, please check out this. And if it was helpful, then please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share them with your friends that got minis, because if you haven't got that fault, I'm pretty sure you might have it one day, because it's quite common fault on them, because when you move the seat forward and backwards, I think it just messes up the connections a bit, and they're very sensitive on the airbag. So yeah, just make sure you do that first before you're going to start replacing any bits. And I hope you have a good day, guys, and enjoy your car. And if you got any more questions, please let me know and I'll try and sort you out. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.